Hello everyone, this is noco gb50. Push the power button, is not responding. The flashlight it showed the battery has charge, but the power button doesn't work. So let's look at it inside. Oh, we have 12 volt, so the battery is good. 4 volt, 4 volt, and 4 volt. So this is the power button, on off. We check the voltage in the power button. It should be like 10 or 11 volt. So here the voltage is good. We check the 3.3 volt. The one is here. We can use this negative of the capacitor as a ground. And so let me check. Well, this is the flashlight. We have 3.3, good over there. The 12 volt VCC is here. Same thing, I'm going to turn the flashlight on and we check the voltage here. So we have the VCC, good. We check this fuse. It's good. Next, I'm going to short the power button to see if it's going to work. It works. So the problem is the power button. Yeah, we're going to need to change this button here, and should be the device work fine. Next, I'm going to short the power button to see if it's going to work. It works. So the problem is the power button. Yeah, we're going to need to change this button here, and should be the device work fine. Okay, let's test it here. Yeah, it works. Flashlight work. and is boosting. So let's check the voltage. We have 12 volt. Yeah, this button is bad. Even if I click to it, it doesn't search. Yep, no, it doesn't work. So, this is all for this video, and see you next one.